Today we are looking at the buyer's journey. I'm just waiting for my students to log in for the evening class for business owners who are learning how to market their businesses online. So today's class is all about the buyer's journey. Let me show it to you. The buyer's journey, and it's one of the most important classes that I have in my digital marketing training, and I will tell you why. Because the buyer's journey is what ultimately helps you create content for your target customer, meeting them where they are. There are some people, a lot of business owners don't know this, and even I did not know this when I first started marketing myself. When I first started trying to market other businesses, I did not know this, that when the people that we are trying to reach, our target audience, our target customers, not all of them are ready to buy. And we often market to them like they are ready to buy right now. But a lot of people in our target audience, they are not ready to buy right now. That's why every time you make a buy now post, regardless of how nice that post is, like you have a nice video, a nice photo, regardless of how good that is, every time you post buy now, you're literally posting for a small portion of your target audience. So we go through this in class because not a lot of business owners know this. So this is what I say. Most business owners and beginner marketers just post buy now and expect it to work on everyone. It doesn't, because everyone is at different stages of the buying journey, and that is what we talk about. Most marketing only speaks to one group, people who are ready to buy. That's why you keep posting things like buy now, call today, book now, visit our showroom, limited offer, order today. Is it marketing? Yes. Is it effective marketing? No, because a huge portion of your target audience is not ready to buy. Yeah, there are some people who need help recognizing a problem. Some people need help understanding the problem. Some people need help understanding the different solutions available. Some people need help deciding which businesses to choose. Some people need reassurance before buying. Some need help getting the best results after buying. Some need encouragement to recommend you to others. So when you make such a post, buy now, you are literally not serving the needs of all these people that you're supposed to be creating content for, showing them the value of your product and services, showing them how you solve problems. Yeah. And people, the point of this class is to show you that people are at different stages of the journey. Your customers, yeah, your customers are at different stages of the journey. Let me see. This is not showing. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Let me turn on my Wi-Fi. So this is what the stages of the buyer's journey look like. So your target customers, at any one point, you have people that are in the awareness stage. In the awareness stage, there's a customer who does not know that they have a problem that you can solve. Yeah. Then they have a problem and they're walking around thinking that everything is normal. You have to create a different piece of content for this customer. Then there's a customer still under awareness stage. Yeah. In awareness stage, there are two types of customer. The unaware customer, this is the type of customer that hasn't yet realized there's a problem worth solving, or they've just accepted their situation as normal, or they haven't connected what they're experiencing to a possible solution. Yeah. So your job is to make this unaware person aware. Yeah. Then under awareness, there's someone who is also problem aware. They know they have a problem. They know something isn't right. They know that something is off. I just don't know what it is. They just simply do not understand what this problem is yet. These two different people, even if they're in the awareness stage, they require different pieces of content. Yeah. And then after the awareness stage, you move on to the next stage. There's a consideration stage. At any one point, there's a customer who is, they know a solution exists. They have a problem, but they know a solution exists. But they're trying to understand what options are available for me to fix this problem that I have. Which approach should I use? What's the difference between this and that? So under this stage, there are also two types of customers. There's a solution aware customer and there's a product aware customer. The product aware customer has already decided on the type of solution. Now they're comparing businesses. They're wondering, which company should I choose to solve this problem that I have? Which product should I pick? Which brand should I pick? So this customer and this customer, if you create really good content to make them aware of the problem, you're supposed to move them down to the consideration. At any one point, there's already someone who knows they have a problem. Yeah, it's either they do not know that you exist, and your job is to make them aware that you exist. And the way that you make them aware that you exist is by educating and informing them, help them explore the solutions and the options available. Then, if you move someone from awareness stage to consideration, there's someone right here in the decision-making stage. At any one point, there are people who can buy from you. They have the money, they're ready to buy because they are aware of the problem. They know that there are possible solutions to solve those problems. They just don't know that you are the one to work with, or they know you're the one to work with, but they just do not trust you yet. So here, the customer has almost decided. They are thinking, am I comfortable buying from you? They already know that you exist. Yeah. So the only thing that you need to show them is give them the confidence to make the decision. The way that you do that is by showing them your other customers that have worked with you, that have bought from you, showing them testimonials, showing them case studies, showing them reviews from your target customers. Yeah. And then once someone buys from you, people end the marketing process here, and that's one of the biggest mistakes that you can ever make. Your marketing is supposed to take someone to the next level, which is loyalty. And the goal here now is to help them succeed after buying, because successful customers become repeat customers, and most business owners end their marketing here. Yeah, most business owners focus their marketing here and they end their marketing here. But once someone buys from you, it is so rare that a business owner I've bought from has actually called me to ask me, are you enjoying our product? Do you know how to use it the right way? Are you caring for it properly? Most marketing focuses on the people that are ready to buy. And the people that are ready to buy will not buy from you because they do not trust you yet. You have not given them a reason. You have not given them a reason to buy from you. And most of your marketing lives here. Then after the loyalty stage, the next stage is referral. Now the customer loves you. They're willing to recommend you. This is the point. Every good marketing. This is the point. A lot of people think this is the point, but every good marketing rests here. Loyalty and referral. Because once you sell to a customer once, you should be able to sell to that customer over and over and over and over again. But you can't sell to that customer if you do not move them here. Loyalty and referral. This is where most of your marketing money should be made. And yet, you don't reach out to customers. You don't ask for feedback. You don't ask for reviews. Just today, I got an email. This is a digital marketing agency that 9 people reviewed your business recently. 9 5-star reviews. 9 5-star reviews. That's why asking for feedback is so important, and it's such a huge part of our strategy at TAG. And I teach this. It is so important in digital marketing. Is you can't create one piece of content to reach a customer who's unaware, a customer who's problem aware, a customer who's solution aware, a customer who's product aware, a customer who's most aware, a loyal customer, and an advocate. All these different people will need their own pieces of content, and that's what this class is for. By the end of this class, I am Coach Freddy with the good prompts. Everyone knows who takes my class. Everyone knows that I have the best prompts to help you with your marketing. I have the best AI prompt to help you with your marketing, and I'll show you the one that we use to generate